Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy XRP on Kraken Pro. First, you'll need to set up your Kraken Pro account. This involves a quick registration process, followed by identity verification, which is crucial for security and compliance. Make sure to have a valid government-issued identification ready. Once verified, immediately enable two-factor authentication. It adds an essential layer of protection to your digital assets. This initial setup ensures a secure and compliant trading environment for your investments. Now that your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. Head over to the funding section on Kraken Pro. You'll find various deposit options, including traditional bank transfers or depositing other cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that best suits you and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts or processing times, which can vary depending on your chosen method. This step is essential before you can place any trades. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy XRP. Go to the trading interface and search for the XRP trading pair, like XRP versus USD or XRP versus EUR. Decide how much XRP you want to acquire. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Consider your strategy before selecting. Before finalizing, always review your order details carefully. Double-check the amount of XRP, the price, and the total cost to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm your order. Kraken Pro will then execute your trade based on your chosen order type. After the trade is complete, you can view your newly purchased XRP in your portfolio. Congratulations, you've successfully bought XRP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.